it's time to do a little bit of fun machine quilting. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use my Sway 5 and also my Sway 4 machine quilting rulers. We're going to be quilting point-to-point curves on a 4-inch quilt block, and we're not going to be doing any marking. So this is a design that's awesome to use like on a patchwork quilt, just all the way across a quilt. It's really simplistic, but gives you just the perfect amount of detail. So hop with me over to my Gamble quilting machine. You'll want to make sure that you do have a ruler foot and a ruler base plate on your machine whenever you're attempting any ruler work, whether it's on a sit down machine or a long arm machine like I'm doing here. Let's hop over to the machine. So this block here is technically just a little bit bigger than a true 4-inch block. So you'll notice that that's okay. I'm going to just be adjusting my ruler slightly as I quilt this design. So if it were a perfect 4-inch square, I could line up my Sway 4 machine quilting ruler, line up this marked line through the center of the block and quilt a point-to-point curve. But because it's not perfect, you're going to notice that as I'm quilting, I'm going to slightly adjust my ruler as I quilt. Once I've quilted that first point-to-point curve, now I'm going to repeat that same process, working all the way around the 4 sides of the block. And just notice how when I need to adjust my ruler, it's just a slight movement as I'm quilting. Every time I stop to readjust, I make sure that I stop with my needle in the down position. I found that I end up with better results if I do stop, readjust with my needle in the down position. So you can really start to see now just how adorable this design is and how much interest you can create with simplistic point-to-point lines. Okay, that is freaking cute. I could leave it just like that, or I can be my crazy self and dress it up a little bit more, which of course I'm going to do. So I'm going to switch now to the Sway 5 and repeat that process, but now I'm not actually going to be using any of the markings on the ruler. I'm simply going to be eyeballing a 1/4 inch away from this corner. So I'll hold my ruler to the point where I think it's about a 1/4 inch away from this corner. Then I'll engage my machine and stitch a point-to-point curve. I'll stop with my needle in the down position, readjust, and repeat that process on all 4 sides. And for comfort, obviously I'm going to switch to the concave side here of the Sway 5 machine quilting ruler. Hold it so it's a 1/4 inch away from where I want my thread to intersect, and then quilt along that concave side. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration from that fun quilt block. You can pick up my Sway 5 and also my Sway 4 machine quilting rulers on our website, peaceandquilt.com. Plus you can enroll in my free class, the 9 Patch Along 5.0, over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be back next week with another machine quilting video.